everybody feeling today? Pretty good? Uh-oh. So it looks like Miss Barbara and the team were thinking about the same thing I was thinking about, which was some type of treat. But my treat is for this morning. Okay, since this is the actual last day, I figured a treat would be appropriate. What do you think? Anybody like donuts? Yeah. Yes. You like donuts? Okay. So if you have, rule number 1 for today is if you have a cell phone, you need to cut it off unless there is some type of emergency that you're waiting for your parent or a grandparent or a caregiver to call you. And then they should be actually calling one of the adults. I do confiscate phones. I used to work for Children's Protective Services, so I'm nice, but I can really be kind of agitating to you as well. So I would hate to take your phone and then you won't have it, and I recommend it to your parent that you won't get it for probably a week or so. So let's do that and remove your phone. Okay? Now, when it's time for some music, then those with the phone can bring those back out. So I'm gonna repeat it one last time. Remove your phone because this is not the setting for that.
Did everybody bring a phone? Who got one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna use them today. How y'all feel? Y'all feeling good?
Get donuts.
Y'all like to eat donuts in the morning?
Yes.
Don't nobody eat donuts in the morning?
Everybody eats donuts in the morning.
Who is everybody?
Take a piece and pass one down.
You have you in the morning.
That's too much
You
sugar.
put
Y'all
perspective
tripping.
in.
That's a good sugar.
It is, right? That's what I was thinking. So I have somebody that was helping me this morning. Where did she go? No, ma'am, I got it because I was afraid of this part. Set me up. That's everything right there. All right, so here I go. Get ready to take one. You want donut, love? You may need to get a napkin if you don't have
Do
one.
you have a Sharpie?
So,
Do you want to use your phone when it's time to use it? This young lady right here, we're gonna all give her a whole bunch of love today because we want to make sure that everybody is feeling important, okay? Did you get your donut? You need a napkin. If you don't have a napkin, please get your person a napkin. Get one anyway, baby, just reach in there. We prayed over these donuts. Y'all been big. I just like it right here. Okay. It's easier, right?
let me get a bite.
I started
That's what you
something.
want. Do that. Actually, do that. Well, actually, you play donut.
Get a bite. Oh, okay. Okay.
Do you want a donut, love?
You get this.
I see how y'all gonna be.
You.
You got this one. Oh, okay. How you acting too? This how y'all gonna treat me? You gonna let me get that done? You gonna let me get it done?
You want to see me back on the wall?
That's right. I
okay.
had to get back on the way. That's what it was like.
Okay. She gonna let me get her done. That's what's up. Oh, yeah, I'm like myself, just can't even do it. Oh, you broke it in half, so I can get half.
All right. So I wanted y'all not to fall asleep this morning, I promise you. Okay?
Who gonna split that donut with me?
I don't want
Aw, see, that's so special. Aw, that's that baby. Thank you for the donut.
Uh-huh.
Do you want something?
No, I'm gonna give him. Rita, you want a donut? You want a donut? Oh, sure.
All right. So I hope you all are happy with the donuts.
Thank you.
Thank you. We don't want to pour here. Sugar it up. Okay, you just had some stuff? All right. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the donuts and, just a little treat since it's your last day coming in here. And then it'll keep you over until your food comes, because I heard about yesterday it was a little bit delayed. Yeah.
Thank everybody.
Well, that's okay.
What was it called?
So I know this is delicious. I ate mine on the way in here. Help me get through the traffic. It took me probably about 45 minutes to get here. And so I had my little donut.